Open terminal, then type sudo apt update, then hit enter. You have got two options to install VLC. The first method, using terminal, type sudo apt install VLC. Then it will ask you about the additional disk space will be used. Type Y from your keyboard and hit enter. While downloading is running, now we will move to the second method. The second method is using the App Center, which is the easiest one. You will just go to open App Center. In the search bar, type VLC and hit enter. Click on the VLC icon. Then I will click open because I already installed it before. And here's the result after all.